Become a Vimeo Premium member. The first and easiest way to make money on Vimeo is by becoming a premium member. This costs $19.95 per year and allows you to earn up to 20% of the revenue generated from ads displayed on your videos. To increase your earnings, you can also opt for the Vimeo Pro membership, $199 per year, which offers higher ad revenue shares and additional features like customizable player skins and priority customer support. Sell your videos. Vimeo offers a marketplace called Vimeo On-Demand, where you can sell your videos directly to your audience. This platform allows you to set your own prices, offer discounts, and keep 90% of the revenue generated from your sales. To make your videos more appealing to buyers, you can also offer bonus content or exclusive access to your audience. Offer video production services. If you have video production skills, you can offer your services to businesses and individuals on Vimeo's freelance platform called Vimeo Creative Marketplace. This platform allows you to create a portfolio, set your own rates, and connect with potential clients. You can also offer video editing, animation, or other video-related services to your clients. Collaborate with brands. Vimeo offers a brand partnership program called Vimeo Brand Hub, which allows you to collaborate with brands and create sponsored content. This program offers higher ad revenue shares and access to exclusive brand partnerships. To participate in this program, you need to have a minimum of 10,000 monthly views and a high engagement rate. Use Vimeo's live streaming feature. Vimeo offers a live streaming feature that allows you to monetize your live events by charging a fee or accepting donations from your audience. This feature also offers analytics and engagement tools to help you understand your audience and improve your live streaming experience. Create a Vimeo channel. If you have a large number of videos, you can create a Vimeo channel and monetize it through ads or sponsorships. This feature also offers analytics and audience engagement tools to help you understand your audience and improve your channel's performance. Use Vimeo's analytics tools. Vimeo offers a range of analytics tools that allow you to understand your audience's behavior and preferences. This information can help you create more engaging content and improve your monetization strategies. Some of the analytics tools available on Vimeo include viewer demographics, engagement metrics, and video performance reports. Leverage Vimeo's community. Vimeo has a vibrant community of video creators and enthusiasts. By participating in this community, you can learn from other creators, share your expertise, and collaborate on projects. This can help you expand your network, gain exposure, and improve your skills. Utilize Vimeo's marketing tools. Vimeo offers a range of marketing tools that allow you to promote your videos and reach a wider audience. Some of these tools include email marketing, social media integration, and video SEO optimization. By utilizing these tools, you can increase your video's visibility and attract more viewers. In conclusion, Vimeo offers a range of monetization opportunities for video creators. By following these steps, you can maximize your earnings and grow your audience on this platform. Remember to always create high-quality content, engage with your audience, and leverage Vimeo's community and marketing tools to succeed.